So let's see how browser reads the HTML code. The browser reads your HTML document line by line. So in the first line, when it finds doc type, it understands what version of HTML we are going to use. So here we are going to use HTML5. Now coming to the next line, it finds the HTML element. So the browser creates the DOM, that is Document Object Model, where every element, or you can say HTML tag, is the node of this DOM. So when it finds HTML element, it will create a node for HTML, and then it goes to the next line where it finds the head element. So this head element is inside HTML, and therefore it will make head as the child of HTML. Now inside head element, you will find there is a meta tag. So again, a new node is created for this meta tag, which is the child of head. Now in the next line, that is for title, again title is the child of head element. So this will come inside the head, and similarly for the other two lines, we will have the meta tag, which are again the child of head element. Now finally the head element ends and the body element starts. So it is going to create another node for body, which is not the child of head, but it is the child of HTML element. So this is going to come inside HTML element. Now inside body, you will find out there is a heading tag. Now this heading tag is the child inside the body tag. So therefore it will create a node inside body tag for h1. Now when the h1 ends, the paragraph starts, so it will create another node for paragraph, then another paragraph, and similarly for h3. Now coming to this ordered list, it will create a node for OL, and now here you can see in the next line LI, that is the list item. List item is actually the child of OL. So LI will come inside OL, and inside LI you can find the break tag. So this BR will now be the child of list item, and similarly we have another list item. And now finally the OL tag ends. So here you can see LI is one element which is present inside another element, that is OL. And always remember the parent node, that is OL. This will end once the child node has ended. That is, once the LI has ended, then OL will end. And similarly, body is a parent to all these tags. So when all these tags end, then in the last, the body is going to end. And similarly, head and body are the child of HTML tag. And therefore, when head and body both ends, after that only we are going to end our HTML element. So this type of DOM is created in browser, and this is how it understands how the elements are to be structured and shown to the users.